us today. We have the coolest snowman cake today. Yeah! Are you so excited? Look how cute this is. He looks so awesome. We're going to get started right away with our cake and our creamy frosting. Nom, 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 nom. And are you ready for a snowman trivia question? What is the name of a famous snowman? You'll find his name in a lot of Christmas songs and Christmas stories. Stay to the end to find out. More frosting and cake. This is going to be so yummy. Make sure while you're watching to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. We have a ton of fun details on this cake today. Lots and lots of details, so pay attention. Do you like building snowmen? Do you live somewhere where you get a lot of snow? Isn't that fun? Little trees, little Christmas trees. Lots and lots of little details. This is going to be a super awesome cake when it's all finished. A super decorated snowman. Have you ever made a snowman, but it gets your gloves so cold because your gloves get wet, but you're not finished with your snowman, so you keep going and your hands are so cold when you come back inside? But then you make a big warm thing of hot chocolate and then you just hold on to the hot chocolate. It's so good. Or maybe you sit by the fire to warm back up. We're gonna make some super awesome candy canes. Do you love candy canes? I know I do. Candy canes are awesome. You can do so much with them. You can eat them, you can decorate with them, you can crush them up and make them toppings for stuff like cake and frosting and ice cream and whipped cream. They're so cool. Do you ever put candy canes on your Christmas tree? It makes it so pretty. And then you have a snack available whenever you are hungry. You know what this is? Looks like our cake blanket. This is gonna be super awesome. Fold that white cake blanket on and take your time smoothing it in. You know we like to get it super smooth, and we bring out our cake irons, and that always helps. Can't wait to see this snowman all finished. So if you can't make a snowman at home because maybe you live somewhere where it's too hot, maybe you can try making a snowman at home with a cake. Wouldn't that be fun? Then you can still have a super awesome snowman. Cut off that extra. And our other cake blanket. Because we're gonna have a lot of layers on this cake, just like a snowman. You know, when you build a snowman, you have a huge round bottom base, and then you have a medium-sized middle base, And then you have a smaller top base. So we're gonna have lots of layers on our cake, too. More smoothing it in. And smooth it in. Keep smoothing. And those awesome cake irons. We love our cake irons. You know the drill. And our favorite pizza cutter. I'm so excited to see this all together. This is gonna be the coolest snowman ever. Do you just love snowman too? They're so fun. And this one is awesome because you can eat him. More smoothing. Are you ready for the answer to our trivia question? What's the name of a super famous snowman? He's in a lot of Christmas songs. The name of our super famous snowman is Frosty. Frosty the Snowman. Did you guess it right? Do you know who Frosty is? Frosty's the snowman that comes to life. And he gets to play with the kids. It's a fun story if you don't know it. You should ask somebody to tell you. Aw, and the cute little top hat on top of our snowman. Now we're gonna put on all of our super awesome details. We got a lot of them. That's a lot of green circles. It's gonna look so cool when it's all done. Green polka dots on a red background. That's so perfect for Christmas, because Christmas is all about green and red. Makes a super awesome scarf. Aww. That looks so good. So perfect. And some fun eyeballs. He has to be able to see you. Aww, and a carrot nose. This snowman is looking so fun. Don't you guys think this is awesome? It's so perfect for winter time. Now some smiles. Aw, big old smile. That's so cute. Now some buttons. Remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. Tell us if you just absolutely love this snowman cake. With snowflakes and candy canes. Aw, so perfect. I just want to sip a whole mug of hot cocoa. Aw, and a couple pearls, because pearls make everything better. Isn't that so awesome? And our two little stick arms. So cute! Aw, it's so perfect! We're all finished! Yeah!